Are you guys hungry? Guys, you can't all fit on this one stick. You can try. Oh my goodness. You think I have enough birds here? And I thought there was only one cockatiel? Well, guess not. They're all there. I guess this isn't good for someone who's scared of birds. And I got this whole place to myself today. It is beyond perfect. Hi guys. Hello. You want me to turn the stick over? Here. Maybe there's more on that side. I don't think they'll notice if I take some home with me, right? I'll just stick them in my pocket. They won't even notice. I recommend this to anyone who just wants to relax. All right, I'm gonna cut this video. It's getting too long.